healing.
Crawl down if you have a chance. Or come down to us, I mean.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Stop it!
Bro, I don't understand, bro.
Why? Why? Why?
Damn it.
Why? Why? Why?
Bye, have a great time.
No, I'm right behind you. Not exactly right behind you, but I'm behind you. Inside, inside. This way, follow right here. A gate. I don't know.
Let's march towards this spot.
Let's go, baby.
Oh my God!
Revving it, revving it.
Stay safe. They block my abilities. Shooting.
Let's go.
It's crawling, yeah. Ooh, he got wrecked. He got wrecked.
Recharging shield.
I mean, shield swap.
RE45 here.
One second. Oh yeah. No one. Ready? Oh, they're trying to come from here. They're at the door. They're at this door. But it's locked. Yeah, I'm coming. I believe. Fall back. That's you, right? Behind us, left side. Got her. Behind you, right here. Underneath us, right underneath. Squad's right underneath us. Okay, they're right underneath us. We gotta jump right here. I had to. It's one. It's just an octane. Yes! Let's go, baby. Screw that guy on our team. I had to. My bad. But I played really well that game. Wow. I did 160 damage on that lifeline.
You are the Apex champion.
Trash. I wanna take a screenshot and send it to him. I'm gonna actually send it to him. That was so sick. Look at this. Look at your kills. 6?